If you look at this question now, what is this value is the question asked. What is this value? Again, if you can see, the powers are 2021, which means it's a question coming from this year only, 2021. So what to do, how to solve this problem now? See when x tends to infinity, one and the only thing, the first and the foremost thing that should come to my mind is 1 by x tends to 0. So we'll get the answer to the question. Very simple question this was actually. So I can take out here, I can take out from every term, I can take out x to the power 2021 common, correct or not? If I take out x power 2021 common, I'll be left with 1 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2021 plus 1 plus 2 divided by x to the power of 2021 plus so on up to plus 1 plus 2021 divided by x to the power of 2021, correct? 2021 whole divided by, I'll write like this, limiting value of 1 divided by x tends to 0. So here x to the power 2021, 1 plus 2020 divided by x to the power of 2021 plus 1 plus 2021 divided by x to the power of 2021 plus 1 plus 2019 divided by x to the power of 2021, correct or not? To the power of 2021. So you see that x to the power 2021 and x to the power 2021 will get cancelled. So what is your answer that we get? This is equal to, see, 1 by x tends to 0, right? You will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, so on up to how many times? So on up to 2021 times, so on up to 2021 times, divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is this answer that we get? 1 1 1 1 2021 times, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 here. So this can be written as 2021, right? So on up to 2021 times, if you add 1, you will get 2021 divided by 3. This will be the answer to the question.